Step 31. Installation of water pipes, power cords, and signal cables for laser emitter. Prepare the necessary materials. Connect the two water tubes of the laser emitter. The blue end should be connected to the water outlet of the laser emitter, and the red end should be connected to the water inlet of the laser emitter. The blue end of the other side should be connected to the low-temperature water outlet of the water chiller, and the red end should be connected to the low-temperature water return port. Connect the power cable and signal cable of the laser emitter. The other end of the signal cable should enter the electrical cabinet, waiting to be connected later. The signal cable of the water chiller should enter the electrical cabinet and wait for connection. The blue water tube should be connected to the normal temperature water outlet, and the orange water tube should be connected to the normal temperature water return port. One end of the air filter should be connected to the laser emitter. Fix it on the wall, and the other end should be connected to the customer's air compressor. The air from the air compressor should be filtered and free from water or impurities.